With all eyes on the election, the U.S. suffered its worst week of the pandemic, and Saturday, 130,000 new infections were reported, the most since the pandemic began. Nearly 10 million confirmed cases have now been reported in the United States. More than 237,000 Americans have died. Adriana Diaz has the latest.
Wisconsin's surge is pushing COVID into new territory. Through these doors, Madison's University Hospital, which we visited more than 2 weeks ago, is expanding its COVID care to an additional ICU. Wisconsin is one of 27 states that broke records for new daily cases this week. 8 states have reimposed restrictions. In contrast, these 16 states don't have a state mask mandate, leaving mask wearing up to individuals. And in Missouri, a poll worker who knew she had COVID died on election night after working 15 hours as an election judge supervisor. Officials say she had limited contact with voters. Then there's Susan Three Iron's daughter, Elvia Ramirez, the youngest person in North Dakota to die from COVID.
She loved hanging out with her friends, driving around, listening to music, and she loved TikToks.
COVID cases among Native Americans and Alaska Natives are 3.5 times greater than among white Americans, according to a CDC study from this summer. Elvia's mother became a COVID patient herself and was taken to another hospital. From there, she recalls watching her daughter via video link when the screen went black.
My daughter's heart stopped. I put the phone beside her. I told her I love her. I had to say goodbye. Past how not seeing her, not being able to touch her, hold her.
The Native American was just 17 years old. Adriana Diaz, CBS News, Milwaukee.